Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can add a transparent watermark in PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. First, open up the application, open up your PDF file. Once you're here, make sure to click on All Tools and then Edit a PDF. From here, you will have the option to select watermark and then Add. All right? Then from here, you would like to select text, right? So we could just say copyright, for example, then choose any font. We're just going to choose Arial Black Bold. You can also do this and choose the colors. I'm going to choose like a dark green and the size would be very important. So 72 would be the best for this example. Then let's make some adjustments. Would like to angle it right here. Okay, perfect. Then just reduce the opacity. That's how you can make this a bit transparent. All right. So let's do like this. Now it's barely recognizable, but the watermark is still visible. Then once done, make sure to click on apply and it will now integrate into your PDF document. Then just make sure to hit save once you have successfully made your final adjustments. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.